Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop.
And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey, gang, Poppy here in the computer room. This is a special note on my follower rest project for my shearline lathe. I claim fair use, just in case Shearline wants to complain about copyright. Okay, I need to show you this as part of product review and basic education. And now, there you see the Shearline. Now, you see that picture right about in the middle of the there. That illustrates the cutting tool. That illustrates the cutting tool being right in line with the middle of that side support finger. So my idea of a 240-degree V in that finger is at least feasible to start machining and test the idea. Okay. So that's the basic education part. Now, as for the product review, the way this attaches to the carriage of the lathe, I think was poorly envisioned. I'm having to make an L bracket to go here and to go, yeah, here. No. Here and under. Anyway, the way it attaches. The way it attaches to the carriage, I do not like. And the attachment to the cross slide of that piece of metal with the nylon tip set screw. No. No. And well, that was that on the product review of the Shearline follower rest and how it attaches. I do not like the way it attaches to the carriage. I'm addressing that for mine. I watched a video Joe Pazinski posted a while ago where he was doing some follower rest work and he made his follower rest fingers out of dead tree carcass product. I think that's how AVE would describe it, dead tree carcass product. Not quite wood. Once was wood, but not anymore. Anyway, I think that has some validity. I'm also going to try making a non-metallic finger for my follower rest. I'm thinking since I have it, I'll make it out of white Delrin. I've noticed that Delrin is more penetration resistant than 6061 T6. I found that out when I can just barely stamp my letter and number stamps into 6061 T6. Not at all in the Delrin, it just bounce and not the slightest mark on the surface, like anything was even there. No mark, no indentation, nothing. So I'm pretty sure that some white Delrin as a follower rest finger might work out pretty good. I'm going to try that. Okay. That's that for now on the follower rest project.